All right, today I'm going to show you how to juice turmeric. Okay, right here I have a root of turmeric. It's a very sacred root. People use this for all sorts of ailments and treatments of whatnot. And I'm going to show you how to juice this. Now, juicing this can be complicated, but if you have a machine like I have right here, this is the Angel Juicer, which is a dedicated juicing machine. It should go pretty much flawless. Okay, so I'm going to take this right here, this root of turmeric, and I'm going to feed it inside of this juicer, and I'm going to show you the results of it and to show you how much juice that I can extract from this root of turmeric. So let's get started. Now, the first thing that you want to do, you want to go ahead and rinse and wash your turmeric because it is a root and it comes from the ground, so there could be some sort of soil or other things that are on it. So you want to clean it thoroughly before you start the juicing process. So let's go ahead and get started with this. I'm going to go ahead and press start on my Angel Juicer. Now, when I do press start, you'll want to know that you cannot stick the entire root of ginger in there. You're going to have to break it apart. And so what I do is I just simply tear off the branches of the root right here in order for it to go down inside of the juicer smoothly. Okay, so you want to do this so it doesn't get jammed. So I have my pieces down here that I'm going to be inserting in here. Now we can go. Don't forget to bring your plunger because that's very important to have for feeding the juicer. All right, let's go get started. I'm going to go ahead and press start. I'm going to take the pieces of turmeric and I'm just going to press it in there. Now, I just made cucumber juice, so you may see some residual of green down in there of the cucumber juice, but that's okay. It's not much in there. I'm just going to go ahead and feed the turmeric in there, and you'll start to see the yellowish color of the turmeric come down in there. You can start to see it right away. We're just going to take the plunger and plunge it down in there. And you'll see residual of the vegetables that I had before coming out of the filter that was just lodged in there. I'm going to take this other piece and press the turmeric all the way through that. And it goes through. And we're going to have a nice consistency of the pulp of the turmeric coming out of here. And we're going to have some nice consistency of the turmeric inside of the cup right there, which you'll see momentarily. So I'm going to go ahead and place that in there. Take my plunger and plunge it through there. And it's juicing the last of the turmeric. See the yellow on the top of the plunger, which you probably shouldn't put on the counter. Rinse that off. And I'm going to go ahead and press stop, and we're going to take a look at the juice that was extracted from the turmeric root. Now you can see the pulp, you can see some of the turmeric root down in there mixed in with the cucumber right there. Put that to the side, and I'm going to go ahead and pull this up. And we're going to look at this. Look at the consistency of the turmeric juice. Very nice consistency of the turmeric juice. Looks milky, yellowishy, turmeric-y juice. And that's how you extract the juice from turmeric root. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.